Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark, and let's talk a little Cardano as we get into the weekend. What's going on right here, right now with ADA? I'm going to show you guys the chart, and we have a exciting upgrade and announcement. All right, so some things coming into fruition as Cardano continues its evolution and development. So I want to break that all down for you guys, as well as letting you all know that we do have Cardano content every single day right here on the channel. So if you do hold ADA, this is a perfect time to subscribe right down below, and let's get down into it, okay? So here's where we are at on the chart. So as you can all see, we have I have this zoomed out a little bit, but we are trading hands at 34.5. So if we look back over the last, say, 2 years or so, this has been pretty much a sideways consolidation point. I know ADA got as high as 80 cents, and this little zone right here that I'm going to draw a little circle around, it is zoomed out, so it looks a little weird. It's not really relative to scale, but that was the only outlier. But since then, from here in this little outwards continuation that we've had from then, that's kind of been the normal. Okay, and the new normal, I guess, is waiting for what's going to happen within the Chang hard fork, as well as some upgrades coming within Cardano. And that's what we're going to talk about here in this video. If I do zoom in a little bit more, you can see what I'm talking about as we look into this recent development where we have bounced back. But this zone right here below 40 cents, that is kind of my acquisition zone for me. If you do believe in Cardano, this is where this third blue line, this bottom long trending line, is kind of my floor that I have established for ADA. As always, though, remember, this is not financial advice, just kind of how I view it, all right? And you can see right here, if we continue this breakout and bounce off of this blue line, once we get up to about 43 cents, that's where I could see Cardano continuing its trend upwards, indicated by this teal arrow right here, okay? And what I use to do my crypto trading is my trading indicator. This is XT Algo. You have it incorporated right into your trading view. I turn it on and boom, there we go. All right, now these are daily candles, and you can see right now momentum down had started a little bit after July started, but now we have continued down below 40 cents and now trading at 34.52, waiting for this momentum up to flash. And that way you can see, guys, it just truly works. These numbers, it doesn't really time the bottoms and the tops to a precise level. It's not always 100% accurate, but this is something where you can look right here in this range. All right, just boom, look at that, and you can see kind of the gains we got from back here in 2023. Momentum up flash. I know we didn't sell at the high point, but still 163% over a 76-day period, and then we did not get momentum down until that 103 days, but still 104% just by using that trading indicator. So it does work. There is a link down below in the description. If you guys want to get started with that, please, by all means, check it out for a promo code as well. If you use NYFC, I believe you get 20% off signing up today, okay? So that's where we're at with XT Algo, with the chart. Show you guys a little Cardano, but this is kind of the bigger story that we want to talk about. Okay, and this is going to tie directly into Cardano's price, but I will kind of give you guys the headlines right now. We've launched a new Hydra upgrade. All right, this will make withdrawals from an open Hydra head more efficient, coming at a time where Cardano's chain is anticipating the Chang hard fork upgrade. All right, but this is where you see the version 0.18.0, kind of just the take-home messages, lowering those withdrawal lags, okay? So these are some new changes, and I know you guys are probably watching and you're saying, oh my gosh, another upgrade, another version, so on and so forth, but Cardano's still going down in price. Cardano's a zombie chain, whatever you want to do, that's fine. Do that on your own time, but I do want to give the people out there that care about what Cardano's doing behind the scenes, not necessarily the people that are just in it to make money, all right? But Hydra 0.180 is out. This is kind of just to summarize. We have talked about it. This is something where you can see the demo coming out at Rare Evo, and that will be some of the more upgrades within what's going on with Cardano, okay? Additionally, there's some bugs and improvements that will be fixed, all right? There's something where you can look at Hoskinson and talk about what's going on. He shared a link on his website within Hydra Doom. That's something where you could see more within underscoring the excitement within this upgrade that's coming about. But we all know that this upgrade to Chang hard fork is coming closer and closer. We had Node 9.1.0. That's going to be what's necessary and unique that's where it's going to be very crucial as we look to get into that Chang hard fork. Okay, but this is something where you want to talk more about Chang hard fork. Historically, these hard forks within ADA have led to monumental price increases. So whether or not we get it this time, it's kind of the subject of speculation. Nobody has that crystal ball within crypto, so I can't give you a definite answer, but I do suspect that we will get a little bit of a buy the rumor, sell the news event within the Chang hard fork actually going live. Underscore that and kind of further that narrative by the fact that Bitcoin's a little bit on a dip, 60K roughly, and by doing that, in comparison to where we were at a little bit at all-time highs when we were pushing 70,000, trying to break through that wall, Cardano's kind of poised, all right, and I do think altcoins are being a little suppressed. I think as we get closer, I tell you guys all the time, to that presidential election, I think November, Q4, Q1 of 25, that will be something that will turn the tides for crypto one way or the other. I think it's going to be a mover. So those are kind of my thoughts as it relates to ADA. But I want to thank you guys for watching this quick video. Appreciate you all. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Remember to subscribe down below on your way out, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.